Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to embed videos onto your GoDaddy website. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So when you're setting up a YouTube video or an embedded video on the GoDaddy website builder, it's fairly straightforward. Now you could do it on any pages that you have. So let's just say, for example, our homepage here. So if we just scroll down, you can go ahead and select Add Section. Then you'll have an option here on the far right side to add audio and video. So if you want to go ahead and click on that, you'll have an option then for video. So there's multiple different templates that you can choose. They're all pretty much the same. They will embed a YouTube video or a Vimeo video. So if we, let's just say, click on the one at the bottom here, then I'll also demonstrate this with a video. So in order to change the actual video itself, you want to go ahead and click on the section and click on the video itself. Then on the far right side, you'll have an option here, either to upload, select, or create a video. So if you were to do this one, you can go ahead and change the video and then upload your own. I wouldn't necessarily recommend to upload your own video, more for the fact that it can slow down the performance of the website. My suggestion is to just upload the video that you want on YouTube first or Vimeo and then have it as an embedded video. But again, it is just personal preference as to what you want to do here. But you are able to create a video or you can upload a video yourself. Now at the minute, of course, we don't have any videos here. But let's just say you were looking for a stock video. You can find them just here. So there's a couple to choose from. Let's just select the waterfall one. And then you can see on our left side here, we have a video of a waterfall. Now, on our left side, I'll demonstrate how to just import a URL. So just below, you'll have an option to just remove the current video URL. And I'll just paste in one of our YouTube videos. Okay, so I've went ahead and picked out a URL here. So it's simply just pasting it onto the video URL. Just go on to the actual search itself just above here. So let's just say for that example, once you're on YouTube, just copy and paste that link and paste it onto here. And then you'll have your embedded video just like so. Now, just to make sure it is working perfectly fine, just go on to the preview mode just to check everything and scroll down. So you can see here that we've got our waterfall video and it's currently working fine. And then with the YouTube video itself, it should work well as well. Again, yep, it's the same thing, so we're happy enough with that. So with the YouTube videos as well, just some more information on this. You will also have an option to describe the video. Again, that'll be good for the SEO of it, so make sure that you just describe it as best as you can. Again, that'll just apply for the uploaded video and not the embedded video. So I've just skipped ahead here. And for the marketing side of things, especially with blog posts, you're going to want to add and include embedded videos as well. Now, it's very simple to do. So just access the home or the dashboard of your website. Now, under marketing, you should be able to see blog. So whenever you select blog, you should see this appear. Of course, just add your H1 and then create your post as normal, but I'm just going to show you how to embed the video itself. Now, it's fairly straightforward. You'll have an option here, which is to insert the media. And then you'll have the option then to add the video. Now, with this, you can only add a video URL. So we'll just paste in the one that we have. And then we'll click on done. And that's now our YouTube embedded. So there's not much more we can do. We can't do anything really with adding a caption or doing some form of SEO for this video. So again, very simple. That's how you would add a video onto the blog. But there you have it, folks. That is how to embed a video onto the GoDaddy website. If you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. We'd like to know what you think. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.